Hello, you lovelies. This is Brittany here, and today this is going to be another app review on a really cool app that I found called Kamio. Now, Kamio is an app that has a bunch of overlays and stickers and stuff like that. It's the second app on the bottom row. It's in the middle. We're going to go ahead and click on it. I'm out of breath, y'all. So, as you can see, when you open the app, you get pictures. This is actually me right here, 15 hours ago. I feel like this is not a very well-known app, so as you can see, sorry for the language, you guys. Some of these are made by me, and some of these are made by the people who created the app. So I feel like it's not very well known because there's not many people posting pictures. So let's get into the whole gist of the app. So when you open up, like I said, this is what you see, and you have a bunch of options from this home page. Now at the top, you have the little 3 lines to open up settings and stuff like that. There's not very many settings. There's not settings at all, actually. Just you have some like terms and conditions, privacy policies, guidelines, stuff like that. So all that legal stuff. Then up at the top you have notifications, which is that little bell. Then you have a refresh page, so you can refresh who you're following and stuff like that. And then you can go to all and see the pictures people are doing on here. And a lot of these people are making, this is kind of weird. These are a bunch of pictures that everyone is making. So yes, there you go. You have kind of like an Instagram of just made pictures. These are edited and I love it. I don't know why this little girl has a weed leaf on her picture, but okay. Anyway, down to the bottom. On the bottom you have your home page, which is what we're looking at now. Shout out to all these people. Then you have the search button. So this is where you can search for different overlays, stickers, and stuff like that. You have collections and web, but we'll get more into that later. You have the plus sign at the bottom, which allows you to create your own picture. You have your top collections and top edits. So these are collections and pictures or stickers that people have added, and they have them in collections. And then the last one is a little head, and this is your profile. I don't even have a profile picture, but I will be adding one soon enough. So let's go right back to search. This allows you to search for a bunch of different things. I like these tags because they pretty much have them all made up for you, and you can just keep looking. For some reason, there's not very many right now, but, you know. So as you can see, there's one for emojis, and you can click on it. It'll pull up a bunch of different like emojis and things like that for you to use on your photo. Then you have backgrounds. So there's some backgrounds that you can use for your photos. The next tab you have are collections. So as you can see, the top one is a collection of blobs, and all of these are just different colors, and they have eyes. Some don't have eyes. Some are glittery, some are not. But yes, you have Domo, you have is cream color, and those are the 3 main ones right now. And then you have web. These are where you can search for different things online, and most of these look like backgrounds to me, or transparent overlays you can add to a background you already have in your gallery. So now we're going to go ahead and make our own picture. As you can see, when you press the plus button, you have 3 options. You can choose a background source from your camera, so you can take a picture. You can pull one from your gallery, or start out with a blank canvas, which is white. I would like to see them add a color selector sometime in the near future, so we can choose what color our blank canvas will be. So I'll make sure to leave a note to them. But we're going to go ahead and choose one from our gallery. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with a plain black background. Yes. And I have a plain background right here. And as you can see, it's in a square form. So if you want to have a full black background, just take your fingers to zoom out and cover the whole square. Down at the bottom, you have a trash can to remove the last sticker you added. You can rotate it. Add another one, like clone it, and then you can flip it up or down. And then the plus button down here allows you to choose your sticker, and then some of the recent ones you used will appear over here in this little scrolly part. So we're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign, and we're going to go ahead and go with the the emoji one because that's probably the most popular. And we can choose an alien. We're going to choose the alien. And you can see that, oops, messing up the background, y'all. Why isn't he selecting? That's weird. That's so weird. We're going to go ahead and delete the alien. And we're going to just restart. Because for some reason, normally it doesn't do that. It's very, usually works very well. Let's see. Let's try this again. Okay. Now it doesn't want to work. Okay, there we go. And now let's add... Cancel. Let's find a new emoji. We can go ahead, we'll use the crown, see how this comes out. Okay, and as you can see, if you pinch to zoom in and out, you can go ahead and make it larger or smaller. And you can just keep adding different emojis from the different collections and stuff like that. And you can rearrange them just by double tapping on each one until you select it, excuse me. And so now we have a flower with a crown. Lovely. It gives a whole new meaning to flower crown. And then once you're done with that, you can hit the check mark up in the top right hand corner, and you can post to Kamio, share it to other social medias, and when you're done, just hit done. It automatically saves to your gallery, so that's also nice. And before I end this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I create custom backgrounds. I'm going to lock my phone and see if this is going to show up or not. As you can see, my background is this huge heart-eyed emoji. So now you know my life. And I think it's so cute. And I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create backgrounds out of these stickers and different things. So we're going to go ahead and go into Kamio. Create a new, we're going to create our background. And for this, I suggest using a plain white or black background or a color of some sort. I would pick a solid color, and then once you pick your solid color, I would suggest finding a plain background in that color off of Google Images or something like that so we can make everything the same. So I'm going to go to my backdrops album and choose the black background. And like I said before, I'm going to make sure it fits the screen so the whole screen is black. Now what you're going to want to do is pick your stickers and create your background any way you want. I'm going to pull up the emoji one. I like this one. This one's so cute with the little, I think her name's Chloe, the Chloe face. And I'm just going to look. Here is the kiss emoji. We're going to do the kiss emoji. So as you can see, it's quite large. I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm going to post it. I always do. Hit done. And it'll save automatically to your gallery. And the next thing we're going to want to do is go in to Photoshop Touch so we can add the image to our full-length background. So we're going to wait for this to open up a little bit. I will leave the links to all of these things down below in the description so you can download it. Photoshop Touch, I don't believe, is available on the Google Play Store, but I will leave the APK download in the description so you guys can get it. So now that we've done what we need to do in Kamio, I'm going to go to my Kamio folder and find the picture I made. There we go. Hit add. And now what we're going to want to do is actually go back. Don't listen to that last one. What we're going to want to do is open up the plain colored background that we found first that is made for your phone. So usually for Android, I like to get vertical backgrounds that are plain. So I'm going to go to my backdrops folder and find my plain black background. There it is. And as you can see, it looks small, but that's okay. We're going to want to go to this bottom icon in the bottom right hand corner with the two flat white squares and the plus sign. We're going to want to hit the plus button, add photo layer from your photo library, wait for it to open, and now we're going to want to open our picture that we made in Kamio. Where is my Kamio folder? Dude, oh, there it is. Pick the picture that we made. And as you can see, it appears already centered and stuff like that. Now, for my lock screen, since I have the clock at the top, I like to move my picture down a little bit. So I have room at the top for my, for my time. Once you're done that, hit check, hit done, hit save, wait for it to load up, hit this little icon down here at the bottom. That is the second bottom. It's the one to the farthest right. Hit save to gallery. You can't see mine because I have a different font, but you make sure it's JPEG. Select the one you want to save and then hit OK. Wait for it to save. And now I'm going to go set it as my background so you guys can see what it looks like when it's set. Somebody liked my edit. Cool. I'm making people here. Not making people. Oh god. Making friends. Okay, so I'm going to change it. I am using GoLocker for those who are looking at it. Yes, that's me. Hit save. And let's see. Okay, it didn't change. Lovely. Hold on. Let's go check it again. And let's go custom background. Choose our picture. Hit save. And let's go back. And then let's try this. And there we go. Now I have a giant kissy emoji as my background. And it's as simple as that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about the GoLocker that I'm using and the theme and stuff like that, you can go ahead, comment down below and let me know. And if you guys have any more questions pertaining to Kamio or making custom backgrounds, like I said, also leave that down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I love you guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more content about making custom backgrounds and photo editing and stuff like that, leave me a comment below. And I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.